Unmounting and reinstalling a mini blind is easy to do. Whether you're painting or replacing, I'll show you exactly what to do in this short video. First, lift the blind all the way up. Now look behind the rail and locate the mounting hardware. Here, just use a flathead screwdriver and wedge the clip towards the window. And while doing this, be sure to support the blind to keep it from falling. Now I'll do the same and detach the other side. Once the blind is free, I like to wrap the cord around the rail, and this helps keep it all together to avoid damage. If I end up storing or selling this, I'll also wrap it with some painter's tape to keep everything from unwinding. Okay, so this next part is optional, but if I end up completely removing the blind, then I can use a screwdriver or socket wrench to take out the clips. Often, I'll take these off even if I'm just painting. When it's time to reinstall, just hook the blind to the clips at a slight angle, and push towards the window until it clicks in. And that's how you remove and reinstall a mini blind. It's a simple DIY anyone can do. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.